Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, since the Australian dollar entered the bearish sentiment 9 days ago after peaking at a high of 81.35, prices have now slumped to a 3.5-week low of 78.16. Currently trading around that level, the market is now looking towards its minor support with beneath at 77.45.65 seen as major. Now also to note is that the 60-day moving average at 77.70. It is viewed from there that CTAs, also known as hedge funds, may step in and defend this level. However, if breached, as you can see before, when the market does break above or below this moving average, is that a significant trend is developed. Therefore, a break of 77.70 could expose the region of 75 cents. Resistance on the day is seen at 78.60. Well, with the US dollar regaining further momentum overnight, breaks above the 90 hurdle and currently trading around 90.25 after printing a low yesterday of 89.31. Quite a significant rise. Therefore, you can see that the outlook for the euro has been confirmed by the shooting star. Now it's broken beneath this line at 123.5. The initial target for the start of today holds towards 122.25. I expect to see further weakness and maybe looking towards an objective now of 121.80 to 121.25. Any advances on the day should find resistance at 122.90. Dollar yen slightly on the slow uptake here, but nevertheless still bullish and still looking towards 109.65. I do believe the market will extend beyond there and look towards 110.50.65. With the US dollar gaining momentum overnight, should ignite further momentum. So I am looking for this today, see if it does develop and towards 109.65. Dips are a buy towards 108.75. Well, the pound took another tumble overnight and quite significantly takes out further pressure of demand with the support seen at 138.45. Tonight is the Bank of England rate decision. It is viewed that the rates will hold at 0.50%, with all 9 members of the Monetary Policy Committee expected to support this move. However, if we see a slight conflict of the votes, and they're looking more to a hawkish, then we could see a slight recovery in the pound. If not, then we could see a break of 138.45, and from the technical implications, it's a little bit bearish but slightly oversold. And we could get down towards a 136.20.30 as a new objective. Resistance is now at 139.40. Well, the gold platform at 1,320 failed to uphold, and with the bearish clock ticking even louder, the market is now looking towards 1,297 to the figure, with the immediate support coming in now at 1,314. Beneath there is 07 to 09, and of course, as I said, 97 to the figure. Any advances on the day should find resistance between 23 and 28. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market is still heavy and bearish and still looking towards 60.60 as an objective now. It took out the support overnight at 62.60. Overall, I still feel the bears are still in control here, so any upside attempts should be limited towards the region of 62.40 and then towards 63.75 as the next target. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.